The news coming in is that the company could be close to reaching a settlement with the Shell Union. Essar is in talks with Shell to acquire its refineries. Let's go across to ET Now's Ruchita Saxena, who has the details of what the likely settlement could be and what Essar is discussing with the union.
What we have learned from sources is that Essar Oil has agreed to some of the terms that Shell Union had put forward to the company because for the Essar Oil and Shell deal. Now, this basically would mean very good news for the deal itself and the shareholders. As human resource, this one issue was something because of which the two companies had to extend their talks beyond November, and now it's already December now. And in this issue, basically Shell Union had two main conditions in which they said that they would not accept any headcount reduction, as they already think that it is the Statoil refinery is very efficient and there is very little scope of any redundancies as far as the headcount is concerned. And secondly, it expects that Essar management would inherit the existing pension schemes and arrangements that the union already has right now with Shell. So with this main contentious issue now being resolved by Essar Oil would certainly mean that that would be good news for the Essar Oil deal, as ET Now had already reported that Essar has already tied up nearly $1 billion of debt for the $2 billion deal now. So going forward with this also issue being resolving itself now, we expect that the deal would go through sometime soon.